Hello and welcome to this Ventuz 6 designer tutorial video. In this video we will talk about the property group lists. This video is for everyone who watched our previous series for the Ventuz 5 designer and our Ventuz 6 What's New videos. You will notice that we changed the layout of some nodes from Ventuz 5 to Ventuz 6, and with this change we added property group lists. For example, the material node and the particle system have this property group list. The lists have a variable amount of elements. They need to be uncollapsed to show any of the containing properties. If you want to add some property groups, just click on the plus and the list of available property groups will appear. Choose one and it will be added to the list. In the particle system you can also decide between two different pluses. The upper one will add at the end of the list the module, and the lower one will add the module directly behind the current selected module. You can freely arrange the property groups in your node by drag and drop or pressing Ctrl on left or right. And when you multi-select property groups, they will be together visible. You just need to scroll a little bit. The hierarchy of the property groups goes from left to right. For example, in the particle system, the modules working from left to right, so that the emitter must be on the left and renderer on the right. If you want to know more about the Ventuz 6 designer, you can visit our user manual website and the release notes on ventuz.com. Also, you can watch our longer videos about the features on our YouTube channel or press F1 while hovering over nodes in V6. Have a nice day, bye!